This is it! If you're seeking some easy ways to make money online, yes, it's entirely free and works in every country. Keep an eye on the screen because this could be the film that forever changes yours and your family's lives. Warning, promise me to keep this a secret between us. I discovered a secret loophole that no one else knows about, and you can cash in anywhere from $200 to $3,000 without any skill experience. Now, I'd like you to go to moneypantry.com, where you'll find Welcome to Money Pantry Simple Solutions to Earn and Save More Money Online. Now, you'll discover many different ways and many different methods to make money online on this website and these blog articles. And I really want to offer credit to the website owner because this is a great website with a lot of useful information. Take a look at these. You can find many ways to make money, 81 legitimate ways to earn money online, and 150 reputable works from home jobs that are currently hiring. On this website, you may find numerous ways to make money, save money, and get many freebies. You may see over 100 different websites on moneypantry.com that are willing to pay you from around $50 to $3,000 for that post. And don't worry, you don't need any writing skills, English proficiency, or even to write anything yourself, because in this video, I'll show you a very unique and powerful strategy that uses a Google trick to get everything done for you on complete autopilot, and all you have to do is collect the payments. Sounds good? Then keep watching! When you visit this website, you'll notice that there are a variety of companies that will pay you to write articles, such as these ones. This website, Transitions Abroad, will be able to pay you $150 every blog post. Scrolling down below, you'll find literally hundreds of different companies prepared to give you a lot of money, including up to $700 per blog post. The Sun magazine, up to $2,000 per blog post. Their earning potential is limitless because you can find multiple websites and create multiple streams of income. For example, this website, Crack, is a well-known website that will pay you $50 to $200 per post. And this website, Size, has the ability to pay you up to $3,000 per article to write fiction such as fantasy and science fiction. Now, let me show you how to make money online using one of these companies by simply writing on Google. You can see here sites that pay you to write about general interests. And the reason I want to show this one is that writing about general interests is really simple, and there is no competition. In a moment, I'll show you a place where you can find free articles to get some inspiration and ideas. Or even just copy and paste those dump free articles so you don't have to write anything. And you could get paid for it. For example, this company, Vibrant Life, is willing to pay you $100 to $300 per post. Simply click on the link vibrantlife.com and you will be taken to the website as shown here. Allow me to show how simple it is to earn money on this website. Now, it's important that articles focus on one topic and stay on that topic till the end. You can earn up to $300 per post by writing very brief articles of only a few words. This time, I'll show you the next step, which is for you to copy and paste free content on Google, as well as how we can set up on this website and start getting paid as soon as today. I'd like you to visit Quora.com. For example, if you want to write a topic regarding general interests such as how to learn English, you can use the search button to find a variety of posts. Because Quora is a free forum, individuals can come to your posts and ask you questions. And you can also respond to them, and that's just so many posts on Quora.com. Then, you'll copy the information. But keep in mind that you don't want to copy exactly from other people's work since that's plagiarism, so don't do that. Instead, I'd like you to get some inspiration by looking at how different people are writing their answers. Go to google.com and type in a keyword, which is Google Docs, and then hit the search button. You'll notice the first link right there, Google Docs, which you should click on to get to this page. We can now open a new document, copy the answer, paste it into these documents, submit it, and get paid on a different website. Moving on, I'd want to return to Quora.com, where you can click on various links to find different answers from various topics. You could just copy the information and paste it into Google Docs. You must write a new article that is between 400 and 500 words in length. Keep in mind that we are not copying other people's writings because they will not be accepted. One of the greatest and simplest ways is to consult multiple people and get different answers. After that, we can make a few changes with our own words. You might just reorganize them into distinct paragraphs and publish more well-written articles. The method works since you simply need brief articles, around 400 to 600 words, and they don't even want to go over 1,000. This time, I'm going to show you another Google trick. Once you've read those articles and want to get some inspiration as a reference from other people's responses, go back to Google Docs and click on this tool button right here and select voice typing. You can start speaking to your phone with your microphone or to your computer. And instead of typing and writing the articles yourself, you can ask others to speak. And the special tool will help you convert your voice into words automatically. If you're lazy to write, you could just use this tool to speak, and Google will automatically type all the information of the articles. Now, let me show you another extra website, listverse.com, which will pay you to make a top 10 list. Then, you may go back to Quora.com and look for answers to this question to see some better ones. You may utilize Quora to get answers and simply gain some inspiration. And you can refer to other people's answers, which you can then copy and paste into a Google document, submit, and make a lot of money online by simply using the special tricks.